Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix if your wireless adapter is missing on Windows 10 and 11. It's super simple, so let's get started. First, we need to head over to our device manager. So you need to simply click on Start option over here, and from in the search, you need to go ahead and search for device manager. Now that you're in the device manager, you need to simply go ahead and expand network adapters. From here, if you can't find the network adapters of yours, you need to simply select the network adapters option and then you need to click on view option over here. And once you have done that, you need to simply go ahead and click on show hidden devices. Now, this might show those devices that has been hidden on your computer. And if that does not work, you need to simply go ahead and click on action. And from here, you need to click on scan for hardware changes. And this will help you find the errors that are present in your computers. If this does not work, we need to head over to our settings. So in order to do that, you need to go to start option over here and then head to your settings. Once you're in the settings, you need to click on network and internet. Now that you're in the network and internet, you need to simply go ahead and click on advanced network settings. And from here, you can simply go ahead and click on network reset option and then you need to click on reset now. This will help you reinstall all your network adapters and set other networking components back to their original settings. And this might help you solve the error. And that's it for today, guys. If you find this video helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.